Suning is a Chinese multinational retail corporation that specializes in the retail of consumer electronics, appliances, and other related products. Established in 1990, Suning has grown to become one of the largest retail companies in China and has expanded its operations globally. To make money online with Suning in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand Suning's products. Familiarize yourself with the types of products Suning offers, such as electronics, appliances, and other consumer goods. This will help you understand the market and identify potential opportunities. Create an account on Suning's official website. Sign up for a user account on Suning's website, http://suning.com/. This will allow you to access their product catalog, pricing, and other important information. Learn about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a method of earning commissions by promoting other people's or companies' products. In this case, you will promote Suning's products and earn a commission for each successful sale made through your unique affiliate link. Join Suning's affiliate program. Sign up for Suning's affiliate program, which is called the Suning Partner Program. You can find more information and sign up on their official website. Choose an affiliate network. Suning works with several affiliate networks such as CJ Affiliate, Commission Junction, and more. Choose the network that best suits your needs and sign up for an account. Promote Suning products. Once you have joined the Suning Partner Program and an affiliate network, start promoting Suning's products through various channels, such as social media, blogs, websites, or even YouTube. Share your unique affiliate link with your audience and encourage them to purchase products from Suning. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Suning's website, you will earn a commission for the sale. The commission rate may vary depending on the product category and the terms of the affiliate program. Track your earnings and optimize your promotional strategies. Regularly monitor your earnings and analyze which promotional strategies are working best for you. Adjust your approach accordingly to maximize your income potential. Stay updated on Suning's products and promotions. Keep an eye on new product launches, seasonal sales, and other promotions offered by Suning. Share this information with your audience to increase your chances of making more sales and earning higher commissions. Network and collaborate with other affiliates. Connect with other affiliates in the Suning Partner Program or related communities to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and potentially collaborate on joint promotional campaigns. By following these steps, you can make money online with Suning in 2024 by promoting their products through affiliate marketing. Remember to be patient and persistent, as building a successful online business takes time and effort.